Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I'm Asmer Bayan. So now on, for this video is I'm gonna be discuss about the passing or forearms pass. So this is the number 2, or this is the continue the video last time about serving. So the number 1 is serving, number 2 is passing or forearms pass. So now I'm gonna be discuss about passing. So what is passing? So passing, also called bump, this is used to receive the serve of or hit from the opponent and pass it to your teammate. So this is the video. Now on this position, close your hands together, lock your arms and keep them straight. The ball should hit your forearms between your wrists and elbows. Keep your arms straight. Do not bend your elbow. Bend your knees slightly and use the strength from your legs to push the ball, not just your arms. That is the second videos I discuss of passing, forearms pass. That is the number 2, and see you the next videos. Thank you and God bless.